Next, THIRTY, 30. Keep on writing, read and write. I want you all to read and then write. Start writing in your math notebook. Next one is FORTY, 40. FIFTY, 50. SIXTY, 60. SEVENTY. I'll give you sufficient time, okay? 70. And don't forget to leave one line every time. EIGHTY, 80. NINETY, 90. And last one is HUNDRED, 100. Read and then write. I repeat, read and then write. 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, and 100. Please write these spellings in your math notebook. Read and then write. Yes, children, start writing. And please write correct spelling. Do not make any spelling mistake. Okay, restart now. Sai Ritvik, read first spelling. What's that?
TWENTY. 20.
Very good. Next one.
THIRTY. 30. FO.
Very good. Very good. Thank you, Sai Ritvik. That's it. Okay. Ketan, read next spelling.
Next.
After 30.
THIRTY.
After 30.
FORTY. 40.
Next one.
FIFTY. 50.
Yes. Suryansh, read next spelling.
HIXTY.
60. Next one.
SEVENTY. 70.
Yeah, that's 70. Good. Tanvisri, please unmute yourself and read next. After 70.
After 30, 40,
After 70. After 70.
EIGHTY. 80.
EIGHTY. H. What is that? H. Very good. Yes. Next.
90. NINTY.
NINETY.
ETY. 90.
Yes.
100. HUN.
HUNDRED. That's 100. Okay, thank you. Yeah. Is there anyone who is still writing? Anyone who is still writing? No one? Okay, fine. Now, take out new page, write date and classwork. After writing date and classwork, write their number. After writing date and classwork, you will leave one line. And then you will write this, write the number names of the following. Write the number names of the following. After writing date and classwork, children, you will leave one line. And then you will write this, write the number names of the following. After that, again, you will leave one line and you will start writing these questions. First one is 124. And remember that after every bit, you will leave one line. Don't forget to leave. You should know how to read the question. And if you know how, excuse me, if you know how to read the question, then definitely you'll be able to write the answers also. But if you doesn't know how to read them, then it will be difficult for you. So first I'll be telling you how to read them. And then one by one, you all will read them. First, we'll write 10 questions. Okay. And intentionally, I'm not reading these questions. You have to read them. I'll give you 1 minute. Note down these questions. Yes, children. Note down these questions quickly. Okay, we'll start now. I'll tell you how to read this. Fine. Later on, I'll be asking you questions. So the first one is 1, 2, 4. Okay, digits are 1, 2, and 4. Always remember this thing. Children, please look at your screen. We always move from right to left. Okay, so we'll be moving from 4 to 1 in the first one. So if we talk about 4, 4 is in ones place, 2 is in tens place, and this 1 is in hundreds place, right? We always read it as ones, tens, and hundred. So we move from right to left. Now, when we have to write its number name, what we'll be doing is we'll start from the hundreds place. We always start from the hundreds place. Okay, so in hundreds place number is 1. In hundreds place number is 1. Vineet, I'll be asking you, look at your screen carefully. So in hundreds place digit is 1. So what we will write here? We will read it as 100. Why we are writing here 100? Because in hundreds place we have 1. So this is 100. Now what we will do? We will read the digits in tens and ones place together. So we will read it as 2, 4, 24. So this is 124. Okay. What I said, we'll be reading the digits in ones and tens place together. So this will be 124. Is there anyone who has any doubt in this? Anyone who has any doubt in this? First of all, what we will do, we will see what do we have in ones place, what do we have in tens place, and what do we have in hundreds place. Okay. After that, we will start writing the number name from the hundreds place first. All right. Let me give you one more example. Let us see second bit. In the second bit, digits are 2, 4, and 5. Digits are 2, 4, and 5. Now again, let us start from ones place. So in ones place, we have here 5. Then tens place, we have here 4. Hundreds place, we have here 2. Okay. Now, if we are writing its number name, how we will write? We will write it as 2. In hundreds place, we have 2 here. So we will write here 200. Fine. Now the next two digits are 4 and 5. In ones and tens place, we have 4 and 5. So we will be reading them together. So 4, 5 will be 45. So the answer will be 245. Okay. Is there anyone who has any doubt in this? Anyone? No? Okay. Fine. Ashita, please unmute yourself and read third question.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah.
5F.
Read that question first.
Okay, ma'am. 500.
Yes, 500. This is 500. Very good, Ashrita. Now tell me, what is the spelling of 5?
Five. 5.
Very good. Then
HUNDRED. Red. 100.
that's H. Ashrita, what is that?
H.
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 Yes. 500. Very good, Ashrita. That's correct. Thank you. Janvi, please unmute yourself and read next question. Yes, children, if you have any doubt, you can use raise hand option and then please do let me know.
324.
Very good. Next one will be 324. Janvi, please tell me spelling also.
THREE.
3. Yes.
100.
H.
HUNDRED. 100.
Very good.
TWENTYFORE.
FOUR.
FOUR.
Yes, FOUR 4. Very good. This is 324. That's correct. Manha, you please read next question.
189.
Very good. That's 189. That's correct. Manha, tell me spelling of 1. O-N-E 1. Then HUNDRED 100. Okay. Very good. That's correct. NINE 9. Okay, now we'll read the next question. Ananya, please tell me what will be the answer for next question.
This one.
Sixth question.
Sixth question.
Hit
Read.
F.
Question 456.
Very good. That's correct. It's 456. Tell me spelling.
Four spelling.
FOUR 4 TY.
FOUR 4. Yes, Ananya. 100 spelling.
Read. 100 spelling.
HUND 100.
Children, it's H. Don't read it H. It's H. Okay, 400. Yeah. Then. Then. What is this? FIFTY 50.
TY 50.
Then.
6 SIX 6.
Very good. So this is 456. Now, next question. Pradiksha, please read next question. Bit G.
168.
Very good. That's 168. Pradiksha, please tell me spellings also.
ONE1.
ONE1. Yeah, 100 spelling. Yes, Pradiksha, 100 spelling. Pradiksha, tell me 100 spelling. Pradiksha, are you there or not? Pradiksha is not there. There is some network issue from her side. Okay, no issues. Dhruti, you tell me 100 spelling.
100 spelling, ma'am.
Yes.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah.
ONE1.
Then 100 spelling. It's there on your screen, Dhruti. Please tell me 100 spelling.
I don't know, ma'am.
Dhruti, see, I've told you to write 100 spelling also, and then also you are saying, I don't know, ma'am. Dhruti, why you are not asking if you don't know anything? You should ask, no? And I'm telling you again and again, if you have any doubt, please ask me. If you want to ask something, please ask. But then also you are never asking. And when I am asking, you are saying, I don't know, ma'am. If you don't know, then you should ask. Okay, Dhruti?
Okay, ma'am.
And 100 spelling is there on your screen. Tell me where is 100 spelling?
100 spelling. H
H
U
U
N
N
D R E D.
100. Now tell me 60 spelling.
6, ma'am.
60.
60.
Yeah. Try.
I
SI
X 6
X. Then
O N E 1
no. SIXTY 60.
Y.
Now tell me 8 spelling.
8 spelling, ma'am.
Yeah, 8 spelling.
E G H T
EI
G H T Y.
EHT only. 8, not 80. Okay. EIGHT 8. So this is 168. Okay. Vineet, you tell me next.
Ma'am,
Yeah. Tell me. H bit. 287. How you will read 287?
2 8 7
What is this? How you will read 287 together?
2
2 then
8 7 2087.
1000. I haven't taught you 1000. I am teaching you how to read numbers in hundreds. Now tell me what is the number? How you will read 287 quickly? Yes, Winnie, tell me. Yes. What is the digit in hundreds place, Winnie?
100
Yeah, tell me.
100. I don't know, ma'am.
Vineet, on Friday also same thing happened. You did not ask me. And today also I'm explaining again and again and again. Then also after telling that if you have any doubt, please ask me. Then also you people are not at all asking. What to do now? And I've told you, especially I've mentioned your name, that please pay attention, Vineet. I'll be asking you, and then this is the condition. Now, Vineet, keep on looking at your screen. Here, 7 is in ones place, 8 is in tens place, and 2 is in hundreds place. Now, what is the number in hundreds place, Vineet?
100 plus
H stands for hundreds. Now, tell me below this H, what is the number?
H
Below H, what is the number, Vineet?
below H.
Vineet, show me your notebook. Show me your notebook, Vineet. Are you writing anything in your notebook? Tell me yes or no.
Yes, ma'am.
What have you written?
That's spellings.
The spellings. And what about a bit H? Question is there on your screen. I am just asking you to read that question. You are not reading that question. Vineet, in bit H, I have written there 287 and I have clearly written there H above 2. So now what is the number in hundreds place?
2
2. So how you will read it? You will read it as 200. How you will read?
287.
Yes. So this is 287. Okay?
Okay.
Yeah. Now tell me what will be the next one? 388. How you will read it?
380.
300.
380.
380?
Yeah.
Yes, so this will be 388.
8.
Yeah. Bhavashri, you tell me what will be the answer for bit H? 287.
Okay. 287.
This will be 287. Tell me spelling of 2 quickly.
T W O.
Excuse me.
2.
Children, give me a second. Yeah.
T W O 200. H U N D R E D. 100. 87. E I G H T Y. 87. S E V E L I N
Arohi, please read next question. 388.
3 T H
TH.
R E 3
Okay.
H U N D R E D 100
Very good.
E I G H T Y 80 E I G H T 8.
Very good. So this is 388. Thank you so much, Arohi. Sai Doshit, please unmute yourself and read last question.
Last question, ma'am.
Yes.
409.
409. Very good. Now tell me spelling of 4 quickly.
FOUR 4 HUNDRED 100 NINE 9
Very good.
409.
Very good. This is 409. Children, please
Thank you,
write
ma'am.
questions. You're welcome. I'll give you 30 seconds. Note down these questions in your note down these answers in your notebook, and then we'll write few more questions. Only 30 seconds. And do not make any spelling mistake. Okay. Is there anyone who is still writing? Anyone who is still writing? No one is writing? Okay, fine. So I'll clear this now. So we have done till bit J. We'll start writing few more bits. We'll start with bit K now. Yes, children, please note down this next question. And remember that you have to leave one line after every question. And intentionally, I'm not reading these questions. First, 5 more bits are there: 167, 315, 499, 270, and 307. Note down these questions quickly. Okay. Swarnika? Swarnika?
Ma'am, 1 minute, ma'am.
Okay. By the time Swarnika is coming, Hayati, you read next question, 167. How you will read it?
167.
167, and how you will read it? Swarnika, just give me 1 minute. I'll get back to you. Yeah. Yes, Hayati.
160.
Very good. We will read it as 167. Yes, Hayati, tell me spelling.
ONE1
Very good.
HUNDRED red.
100. Yes.
Then SIXTY
60. Very good. Then?
7. SEVEN 7.
Very good. That's SEVEN 7. Very good. 167. Swarnika, now read next question, please. 315. 300 and? Very good. This is 315. So tell me spelling of 3 quickly.
THREED
Very good.
HUNDRED
100. Yes, next.
FIF TEY
NN.
N
FIFTEEN 15. Yeah. Now this is correct. Okay. Brinda Raj, please read next question. 499. How you will read it?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, please read 499.
499.
400 and? Very good. So what is the spelling of 4?
For you are for HUNDRED 100.
Right. Then 99 spelling?
And then 9
Very good. 90.
9
NINE 9.
9
Very good. So this is the spelling of 499. Okay, that's correct. Tarini, please read next question. 270.
200
200 and?